All right, so this is how Read Live class operates. So I already sent the kids out to a breakout room, but for Read Live, I sometimes open it maybe even just like a minute before we start. But since it will be the first class connect that they have you for the morning, you can always open it up 5 minutes early and just say hi to everybody as they come in. But exactly at 11 o'clock, what I do is I go to tools, I do the breakout, and there you'll click the little box in the corner that says 30 minutes, and then you'll hit breakout, and then they'll all go to their breakout room, and then as they come in, they'll get immediately directed to their breakout room. And then at the end of 30 minutes, everyone gets automatically put back into the main room. And then we all just say goodbye to each other. And then what I do is I just hop around breakout room to breakout room. Make sure when you get in there, mute yourself so that you're not disrupting them if you have background noise. Some other things that you might need to know, and I'll send this in an email, but when they initially log in, they have to use their student ID at MNVA, the at sign, and then everyone's password is MNVA. And then when it's time to conduct the pass activity, which is at the end, and everyone should know this, but the teacher login, they have to put in the word teacher for username, and password is the word password. It's super simple for the kids to be able to put in.